If you are a B2B founder between 3 and 10 mil, you're probably feeling trapped. Your sales cycles are dragging 6, 8, even 12 months. CRMs like HubSpot and Zoho feel like it's working against you, not for you. Why is that? Because the tools that got you to 3 million will break at 5 million plus. So stick around because I'm going to show you exactly why HubSpot fails scaling founders like you and the one solution that cuts your sales cycle by 30%. So let's dive in. I'm Tony Konig, the founder of Konig Digital and the scaling founder suite of GTM solutions. I've helped over 50 B2B founders, SaaS, medtech, manufacturing double their pipelines in as little as 60 days. How? By fixing the exact problem you're facing, a tech stack that is holding you back. I've audited hundreds of GTM strategies, and today I'm sharing the truth about why tools like HubSpot stall your growth and what to do instead. Here's the hard truth. If you keep using the wrong tools, your sales cycles will keep stretching. Your team will burn out, and your competitors, those using smarter systems, will eat you and your market share. 47% of B2B founders juggle 7 or more tools, wasting 10 hours a week. Don't be like that. Let's fix it now. So let's break down why HubSpot fails B2B founders scaling past $5 million and how you can escape this trap. I call it the Goldilocks Dilemma. Your business is too big for startup tools like HubSpot and Zoho and other smaller CRMs, but too small for clunky enterprise systems like Salesforce. You remember Goldilocks? It's just too hot, it's just too cold. We want it just right. So here's the big three reasons these CRMs like HubSpot stalls your growth and the fix. The first one, a fragmented tech stack. Often tools like HubSpot create tool chaos. It's great for startups, easy to use, quick to set up. But at $5 million plus, you're layering on tools like Apollo for leads, Zapier for integrations, and maybe even a separate email platform. A recent study found 60% of B2B founders spent $15,000 a year just keeping their tech stack together. That's money and time. 10 hours a week stolen from growing your business. So when your tools don't talk to each other, your sales cycles stretch. So here's Konig Digital Solutions, a white label CRM that integrates everything: leads, automation, reporting in one platform with zero technical setup. Founders like John, a $7 million SaaS CEO, ditched 8 tools for a Konig Digital solution and cut their sales cycles by 25% in 60 days. Second, HubSpot's lead generation falls short at scale. Its lead scoring is basic, demographics, and a few clicks. That's not enough when your deals are 50K or more. The industry average for lead accuracy is 23%, meaning that 70% of your leads are wasting your sales team's time. Konig Digital Smart Lead Intelligence uses AI to predict buyer intent with 89% accuracy. That means you're chasing real buyers, not just contacts. For example, a medtech founder we worked with doubled their pipeline by focusing on high intent leads, Konig Digital's smart lead solution identify 72 hours before competitors. Finally, HubSpot hits a scaling ceiling. It's built for startups, not mid-market growth. As your team grows to 30, 40 employees, you need custom workflows, branded client experiences, and flexibility for complex deals. HubSpot's rigid templates and pricey add-ons can't keep up. Konig Digital's white label scaling founder CRM is built for the $3 to $10 million sweet spot. It's plug and play, brand aligned, and scales with you. No 6-month setups like Salesforce. So, why choose between startup simplicity and enterprise power when we give you both in one tool? So here we are. What is the fix? Konig Digital's done-for-you model combines a white label CRM with smart lead intelligence and simplify your GTM and cut sales cycles by 30%. No tool chaos, no bad leads, no scaling ceilings. Plus, we partner with you to build capability, not dependency, unlike agencies charging 10K a month. Founders like you have doubled their pipelines in 60 days with Konig Digital solutions. Are you ready to see how? Here's your next step. Take our GTM health check course to uncover what's slowing your growth. It takes 2 minutes, well, a little bit more, and gives you a personalized report. Plus, you can claim 20 free smart leads to see Konig Digital's power for yourself. The links are in the description below. Do not let your tools hold you back. While others spend months on setup, you could be closing deals in weeks. Subscribe for more scaling secrets, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep on scaling!